Hi, this is Richard from Vonaq Security. In this short video, we're going to take a look at how we can remotely manage a Vonaq NVR by using the VSS Web cloud-based system. So you'll remember that our app for the mobile is VSS Mobile, and for the cloud solution it's vssweb.net, like we see here. And so here I've already created my own account, but if you're fresh to this, you'll need to create your own account first of all. And now I'm just going to log into the system. And I should say, by the way, we need to use Internet Explorer for this because it is using an ActiveX component for displaying video. So here we can see a selection of NVRs of customers that are already happy for me to be managing their system. Now, if we want to add another device, all we would do is here we can see the Add Device button. I'm going to click on this. And now, just next step. And now I can say I want to add device by ID. And this is where where we have the QR code screen on the NVR itself. Just to the left of that we have the device ID and login password. So we would normally enter those credentials in here, the device ID and the password, and then just give it a friendly name and then just hit finish, and that would add that to our system. Now I'm just going to use one that we've already added, so I'm just going to exit the wizard here. And now let's see what our options are once we've got a system added. Well, we can basically go to media and play back the cameras, or more often what I'm needing to do is to configure a system. So in this case I think I'll go into config, and let's just pick on an example of this NVR here. And so once I go into config, I'm going to select device config. It takes a little while to load this up. We just see the progress bar running here. Just be patient for a moment. Okay, and now we can see we've loaded up all of the parameters for this NVR. So we can look at things like the network channel setup and configuration, record plan, and so forth. So there's quite a lot of things we can do in here. One really easy one I'm just wanting to tweak on this particular customer system is there's a feature in the maintenance auto maintenance, and at the moment the system's configured to reboot every Tuesday at 2 in the morning. I just need to disable that for this particular site because he doesn't like hearing it beep at 2 in the morning. So I've changed that to never, and I just hit save, and that's all I need to do in order to make that adjustment. But as I say, you can then look at lots of different things in here. The channel state, the resolution of every camera's frame rate, etc, etc. So I suggest you basically go to vssweb.net, create your own account and have a play about, and I'm sure you'll find that it will save you quite a few potential site visits. Okay, I think hopefully you found that useful.